Tuwakola simwa bange katusimeko echemu wafe Mbazira Fredrick Kawumi tusima Katonda wafa kuwe birunja kutuwangalizenga era kubyokoze akuwawuliza tusimye munaffe fera tusimire ddala olw'ebirungi byokoze bingi ku Mukono High tebitendwa watyo tujjeffe engasime bulagiwa Feka tusime oli w'amaanyi era twasima tusimire ddala olw'ebirungi byokoze bingi ku Mukono High tebitendwa watyo tujjeffe engasime bulagiwa Feka tusime oli w'amaanyi era twasima katwebaza bakuleeta wano ku Mukono High beebale nnyo mu byensoma twakyusa ng'amagezi gosebo n'obwongo watuteekateeka wano buli omu ayita baleka mukulu n'otwasiima Mukono High eri waggulu.
Come to celebrate and appreciate a leader, a mentor, a guiding light.
With dedication and mighty.
Your passion for education, a gift of surprise.
Inspiring students to reach new heights.
Through challenges and trials, day by day, your commitment to excellence has standard so high, has raised the bar and helped us reach the sky. Like a child, he was born in the year 1964, August 18, Aune Bitandika. Oh, Mami Bezale Chimala, oh, Tatawi, Mama Joyce Namu, Abentima Mubadech, oh, Garosibulida, Mami Beba Bazara, Atene Beresa, never wear up.
Now he is the man shaking the world. He has dedicated all his life to the noble profession of education. May your legacy continue to shine.
Years of service.
A life of devotion.
Guiding students.
With kindness and emotion.
With wisdom and passion.
You cleared the way.
Making a difference in the day of day. May your work be celebrated and your spirit be bright. You deserve our gratitude and praise tonight.
Our praise tonight.
I chapter closes and you one unfold. Your working years are story to be told. Your contributions are treasure to share. A life and impression to consider.
Gavumenti bw'egamba okusolooza emisolo jwala ekuba etiketi kyazikoni biyond.
When the government wants to come in schools so that you are able to will the teacher just give porridge?
Osanga bana bakanso nga bagamba sente wezigenda tezidda mangu.
The people of the council say when the money goes, it doesn't come back so fast.
Amasomero zinagenda zidda mangu nga balabakamba.
The money of schools go and come back so fast.
Sembadde ngamba ekyo gavumenti ekireke.
Let the government leave that bit.
I don't support it. Completely. That's the truth.
And the schools are there to receive but not to get things out of schools. Education is the power of the church and is the power. And whoever brought such an idea should repent.
So,
the parents who are here, please pay school fees so that the children.
Njagala okuyozayoza diocese baga mukoze kinene nnyo okuteeka Mukono High School mutindo. Bwe nali wano walina challenge nnene bagenda ne bandeeta wano ate nze nga mba mu grade mpanvu ndi mazima wanvu kubanga lwaki nali mazima wanvu nze nga mba Nabiryango College kati nga obuzibu bwonna bwe tulina nze nabapimiranga ku Nabiryango College ngamba bulina okutuuka ku standard ya Nabiryango College kati awo nga waliwo obuzibu bye bino ekisookera ddala ensomesa nga yali nafu nga enkola nayo nafu nga results bwe zijja nga nazo nafu naye nyina essanyu okumanya nti kaakati Mukono High School muli ku mutindo ebale nnyo Mwami Mbaziira kubanga nze kye nasookeranga ddala odi lwatuulanga nabuuzanga bisaddukuze naye nga lifaanana bubi. Mukono High School mwekubireko mugala kubanga muli kusomera erinyirira. Mukono High School yali tefaanana bulungi, erina obuzimbe bukadde, bwe tuyita wonna wafunda, ng'oyingira ekibiina ng'osanga kyonna kidugala. Bannange ekimu ku birooto byaffe byali kulaba nti Mukono High School eba n'ebizimbe ebirungi, ebulabika bulungi, era bannange Mwami Mbaziira bannange kakati tulaba bimuli. Olwaliro katono nneme n'okumanya gateway kuba bwentuusa.
Heartfelt farewell to a remarkable leader, Mr. Mbaziira Kawumi Fredrick. On behalf of the Academics Department, I welcome you to Mukono High School and thank God who has protected us to this far, Ebenezer. Mukono High School is built on a firm foundation of faith, values, positivity, self-reliance of our end products. This is intended to produce a holistic citizen of Uganda. School enrollment. Tata Bishop, our students, teachers, and the entire school community as displayed in those tables. Mo O-level last year, twatuuza abaana 435. Abo bonna no twatuuza 439 era bonna kwabo 435 bayitira mu result 1. Ekitegeeza nti abayizi bafaawo bonna 435 bafuna certificates naye ekyenjawulo bonna baqualifyingira okujoininga A-level.
In providing a shared and unified vision, clear goals and objectives, allocation of resources, guided by the church, led to excellent results at our school, a school of international character. You will inevitably be remembered as a seasoned head teacher, a pace setter, and result-oriented manager who gave mentorship to the staff here and elsewhere, as well as to Korea. These are head teachers of secondary schools in church-founded schools. You served as our president for the 4 years. Mr. Kawumi, thank you so much. As we bid farewell, I am more grateful to you than you can fully understand at the moment. I just pray that God rewards you abundantly, and Mukono High School remains the second home, Mr. Kawumi.
Improvement of academic performance in order to create competition among the assistant schools. Dina, is young number. Some of our schools are not performing. That is busy. Masomero siri mumativu tegakola kimala kubanga tegalina kuvuganya kumala. Go down there, transform that school. Tutegewo kuvuganya amasomero gaffe ga situke era taata tetuvuganya naye situku wetulyawo tulengerekeka. Then he also said creation of a better corporate image of the school. Dr. Ssewanyana omulabirizi yali yabinga amasomero gaffe teriwulikika bulungi, tulina okuwulikika obulungi n'ebirala nesijja bagamba.